it's very important for each one of us to know about lung cancer. Now, lung cancer, when you put both gender combined, men and women, happen to be one of the most common cause of cancer. Unfortunately, this is also one of the cancer with the highest mortality globally. In spite of the new development of drugs, in spite of new techniques developed in oncology, this cancer still remains an enigma. And until now, all of us know that it is predominantly caused by smoking. But we have found out recently that there are a lot of patients who come who are not smokers, and there are other causes as well. We have younger women who have never smoked in their late 30s and early 40s, especially in our country, who are diagnosed with lung cancer. We really don't know whether it's indoor smoke, it's air pollution, or even radon exposure which can cause this. Interestingly, there are pockets of radon exposure, especially in peripheral Bangalore as well, where we have found that there are collection of lung cancer patients. So what are the screening recommendations, or how can you find out if you have a risk? Any persistent symptom. So if you have cough which has persisted for beyond 3 weeks, if there are unusual response to antitubercular agents, if you already have chronic lung condition, as in a chronic smoker having a chronic obstructive airway disease, if you have pulmonary fibrosis which happen in mining workers, or idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, all these make you high-risk candidates for lung cancer as well. There are international screening recommendations for a person who have had 20 pack years of smoking history, which means you have had at least a substantial exposure to smoking, even if you have recently quit smoking. So anybody who has had 20 pack year of smoking history, more than 50 years of age, till 80 years of age, should have an annual low-dose CT scan of the chest to rule out whether you have an unusual nodule, which can be biopsied to confirm whether it's malignancy or not. Thank you.